Hello everyone. Welcome to another art tutorial with Udocreatives. Today we will be doing a simple spring nail art tutorial. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses basic materials which I will add in the description below. Spring is usually represented by bright colors such as light blue and light pink. Those will be the colors I will base my design on. First thing I will do here is apply white gel nail polish as my base. Next, I will use my standard brush to add light blue gel nail polish and light pink gel nail polish on different parts of the nail. Spring also means plants are in bloom. So, I will draw a simple plant to emphasize that. Here, I am using black gel nail polish and my pointed brush. Remember that there is no rule for design. It is all about expressing yourself. Feel free to experiment. I will add some foil flakes using my tweezers just to give my design some more personality. And there you have it. An easy spring nail art design. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with more designs and patterns. Please like this video and subscribe to Udocreatives for more art content.